Welcome! If you're looking for a way to disable those persistent in-app notifications from Pinterest permissions, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn off these notifications so you can enjoy a cleaner, less distracting Pinterest experience. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once the app loads, head straight to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right of your screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see your boards, pins, and settings. Next, look to the very top of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This opens up your profile settings, where you can customize how Pinterest interacts with you. From here, find and tap on the option labeled Notification. This section controls all the alerts and updates Pinterest sends you, both in the app and through other channels. Now, scroll down until you see the Permissions section. This is where Pinterest manages what kind of notifications you receive based on the permissions you've granted. Inside the Permissions menu, you'll notice an option labeled In-App. This setting controls whether Pinterest will show you notifications while you're using the app. To disable these, simply toggle the In-App option off. You'll see the switch change color or position, confirming that in-app notifications for permissions are now turned off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled in-app notifications for Pinterest permissions. From now on, you'll have fewer interruptions and more control over your Pinterest experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tips and tricks on managing your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your notification-free Pinterest browsing.